It's a 2018 Acura Rdx. It connects with you and the road and is the benchmark in the premium SUV class. It comes with great features you'll love: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather sport seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth hands-free link, dual zone climate control, Acura Link, and V6 engine. Cars.com explains the Acura Rdx is better armed to win over shoppers. It's larger, lighter, and more efficient, while offering an attractive value proposition. Acura has a legacy of innovation, a legacy that continues here. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.